Watch just how easy it is to install the Dominator X winch at home, even if you're not experienced on the tools. Chris has never installed a winch before, so he's going to be our guinea pig. First step, unpackage everything and lay it out neatly. You'll have the winch itself, the control box, the earth cable, wired controller, winch hook and mounting bolts. Make sure you've got good access to get your winch up into the bull bar. This will vary depending on your own setup, but it usually involves removing bash plates from beneath or from the grill above. Drop the 4 square nuts into the winch and secure them from falling out with a bit of masking tape. Now, get a mate to help you drop the winch in place and bolt it up to the bull bar, remembering to fit the fair lead as well. Connect the control box to the winch by matching the color-coded cables and tighten them so the cabling is aligned in a way that lets the cabling sit as comfortably as possible. Add the long black earth cable and the small earth cable from the control box and nip everything up. Depending on your setup, you may need to rotate the gearbox so you've got easy access to the clutch. Unscrew and rotate the gearbox base plate to suit your bull bar, then retighten the bolts. Now it's time to mount the control box. The typical way to mount it is in the middle of the bull bar, so simply drill and bolt it using the supplied flat plate and some nuts. Reinstall the removed components feeding the control box wires through the grill. Run them up through the engine bay to connect to the battery terminals and secure them with cable ties so they can't move around. Then refit your grill and bash plate, fit the winch hook and you're good to go. And that's it. Even if you're not the most experienced person on the tools, you can still fit an Adventure Kings winch at home in no time at all.